In a small, bustling town lived a man named James Clear. James was always curious about how some people managed to transform their lives while others stayed stuck in their routines. His quest for understanding led him on a journey of exploration and discovery, diving deep into the world of habits and human behavior. One sunny afternoon, as James wandered through the town's old library, he stumbled upon an ancient, dusty book titled Atomic Habits. Intrigued, he sat down and began to read. The book unveiled a powerful yet simple truth. The secret to profound change lies not in making big leaps, but in making small, consistent improvements. The book told tales of ordinary people who achieved extraordinary results by focusing on tiny, incremental changes. One story was about a woman named Sarah, who transformed her health by starting with a single push-up each morning. Another tale was about Tom, who became a prolific writer by committing to write just one sentence each day. These tiny actions, repeated daily, compounded over time into remarkable results. As James continued reading, he discovered the core principles of atomic habits. The first was the idea of identity-based habits. The book explained that to change one's habits, it's essential to focus on who you wish to become rather than what you want to achieve. For instance, instead of setting a goal to read 20 books a year, one should aim to become a reader. This subtle shift in mindset makes the new habits align with one's identity, making them easier to maintain. The second principle was the power of the 1% improvement. The book illustrated how a mere 1% improvement each day can lead to significant changes over time. James imagined a plane shifting its course by just a few degrees, ultimately ending up in a completely different destination thousands of miles away. This principle highlighted the importance of small changes and their cumulative effect. Next, the book introduced the concept of habit stacking. It suggested linking new habits to existing ones, making them easier to remember and integrate into daily life. James remembered the story of a man named Carl, who wanted to start meditating. Carl decided to meditate right after his morning coffee, a habit he already had. This simple strategy helped Carl establish a new habit seamlessly. Another key lesson was about the environment's role in shaping habits. The book emphasized that making small changes to one's surroundings can have a profound impact on behavior. For instance, by placing a bowl of fruits on the kitchen counter, one might be more likely to choose a healthy snack over junk food. James visualized transforming his own workspace to promote productivity and focus. Finally, the book delved into the importance of tracking progress and celebrating small wins. It described how visual cues like habit trackers and journals could provide motivation and satisfaction, reinforcing positive behavior. James thought of Mary, a woman who used a simple calendar to mark her daily achievements, each tick bringing a sense of accomplishment and encouraging her to continue. Inspired by the stories and principles in Atomic Habits, James decided to apply these insights to his own life. He began with small, manageable changes, focusing on becoming the person he aspired to be. Each day, he made a 1% improvement, stacked new habits onto existing ones, optimized his environment, and tracked his progress. Over time, James noticed profound changes. His productivity soared, his health improved, and he felt a renewed sense of purpose. The small, consistent actions he took each day compounded into significant, lasting results. James realized that the wisdom he found in Atomic Habits was not just about habits, but about life itself. The power of small changes, the importance of identity, and the impact of environment all contributed to a more fulfilling and successful life. With this newfound understanding, James continued his journey, sharing the secrets of Atomic Habits with others, helping them transform their lives one small step at a time.